market, kind of just something to get community involved. So if you're interested in that too, that's Facebook. It's just Sweat Pink, Olean, New York chapter. And like I said, it's completely free. I mean, if there is an event, you may have to pay for the event. You know, if it's like Rock City Park is $5 to get in, you know, that costs. But I don't charge anything for the.
Just for what?
No, it's for anybody. Yeah, anybody. And like I said, it's just local like walks, hikes, bike rides, trips to farmer markets, stuff like that. So I'm going to tell you a little bit of how I got into plant-based diet eating. I never really set out to eat this way or to get as involved as I am in it now, but about 3 years ago, we got pregnant with my son. I got pregnant, and I got diagnosed with gestational diabetes. So that's kind of when you get pregnant, your pregnancy hormones flash with the insulin. So it's a form of diabetes. Now, after you're pregnant, sometimes the diabetes goes away. It's a like 5 to 10% chance you'll keep the type 2 diabetes afterwards. Then within 10 years after, your chances go from 20 to 50% of having type 2 diabetes. So it's very closely related to type 2 diabetes. It's different when you're pregnant, but after you're pregnant, it's pretty much turns into type 2 or can possibly. Mine never did. I got rid of mine. I stayed on a really strict diet. It's a very strict diet. I don't know if you guys know anything about it, but it's very, very low carbs. Very low carbs. You're pretty much just eating enough to keep the baby alive, so you're starving all the time until you get used to it. And that's really what opened my eyes to eating how I do now, is because, I thought I was eating healthy before because, I wasn't sitting down and eating a bag of chips or a 2-liter pop. So I was like, oh yeah, I'm eating healthy. I'm eating pasta and juice and 4 Snapples a day, and I'm eating healthy. That was I was not eating healthy. Like I said, that really opened my eyes to go from 4 Snapples a day to the only things you can really drink are water, unsugared iced tea. I hated water. You know that. I never drink water. I don't know how I stayed alive because
juice.
I would drink a gallon of juice a day, but I would be lucky if I drank a glass of water. So I hated unsweetened iced tea because it wasn't sweet, and I was used to raspberry tea, sweet tea, stuff like that. So I went seriously from like one way to the complete opposite. Like I said, I thought I was always eating healthy because I wasn't doing your stereotypical bad thing. So, so I went from white pastas, big bowl of the creamy pastas, like she'll tell you I used to eat so bad, but I thought I was eating so well, to only eating a cup of, a pasta a day, to white pasta, whole grain pasta, which I was never really a big fan of. But you get used to it obviously after a while, so, white rice to brown rice. And there's white rice does have its benefits too, though. The recipe I'm going to be making is using jasmine rice. It does have its fiber and stuff, so it's not horrible, but in moderation. I didn't eat that stuff in moderation either. That was like what I ate all day, every day. I didn't eat any of the other good stuff, I didn't eat a lot of vegetables. I was really picky about my vegetables, as my mom can tell you,
terrible. Yeah, I like
really
that.
So that got me, opening my eyes to how I thought I was eating healthy, and I really wasn't. So, that's where it started. And then from there, I kind of just started doing more research, joining different pages, doing different things, talking to people, going to classes, and then I finally became certified, taking classes online and stuff because I just got so passionate, so involved with it, that it was interesting to me, it became my passion. Started reading books on it, documentaries, stuff like that. So, like I said, it was like a 360 pretty much for me. That also kind of got me more physical again because with the diabetes, if your sugar ran high, the way you bring your blood sugar down was to take a walk or be active. So I would take a walk for 20 minutes to lower my blood sugar. And then I started incorporating, like light weights here and there, and that kind of brought my spark back for being physical. Now I've done races, I've done obstacle courses, I ran a half marathon. Before, like I said, I was eating so bad, I smoked a pack of cigarettes a day. So like when I say my son saved my life, he did so many more ways than just that. So that's how I got interested.
She made me.